It's the first day of spring. Happy spring. I just love the springtime. And to celebrate this special day, my friend Debbie at Debbie's Kitchen said, I think people should make a first day of spring recipe. And I thought, I'm interested. When I think of spring, I think of all those beautiful blooms. And one thing that's always popping up in spring are these dandelions. Well, I'm going to take these dandelions and I'm going to turn them into dandelion blondies. Watch me make them in my kitchen. I can't wait to show you. I'm only using the petals of the dandelion for this treat. So I'm just going to put them in a bowl. I need to melt a stick of butter and about 1/3 cup of honey. I'm going to stir in 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 1/4 cup flour, teaspoon of salt, 1 lightly beaten egg. Now it's time to sprinkle in and mix in all that dandelion. And now I just spread it into a prepared baking dish. And I'll just bake this in a 350-degree oven for about 28 minutes until set. Time to try a dandelion blondie. Haven't really had anything like this before. Back in the day, I remember going to a dandelion festival where I tried dandelion food like dandelion ice cream and dandelion sausage. But dandelion blondie? Nope. Let's find out. I see like one little bit of dandelion poking out the side. But how does it taste? It's not too sweet. Very honey-like. Interesting flavor. I could see a bee really loving this blondie. It's fun and a great way to utilize that nasty flour that just pops right up. You could turn it into things like blondies. Thanks for watching me here on Jim's Kitchen. And I hope you have a fantastic spring. Make sure to check my friend Debbie at her channel, Debbie's Kitchen. Have a great day. What did one dandelion say to the other dandelion? Take me to your weeder.